Yeah man, and welcome back to the channel for everything aviation. A little aviation news and of course the core of the channel, spotting airplanes. Please check out my channel for videos with live ATC and live satellite map. Today's video is a follow-up video to a video I did earlier in regards to the Spirit acquisition deal. Well, if you are a fan of JetBlue Airlines, your favorite airlines is now on track to becoming the 5th largest US airline, as JetBlue Airlines has won the much delayed vote for the merger of Spirit Airlines over the rival bidder in Frontier Airlines, who seemed poised to take over before what many has referred to as a hostile takeover bid from JetBlue Airlines in April 2022. Now fast forward to July 2022 and JetBlue closed the deal for a whopping $3.8 billion, for which Spirit agreed to sell to JetBlue. It is now a fact that JetBlue has acquired Spirit Airlines, as even Frontier has made announcement as to how they proceed after this situation. So what happens next? There's one more hurdle for the JetBlue team to overcome. That is to win the vote of the antitrust regulators from the Justice Department in the US. At this time, however, allowing an ultra low cost carrier to get absorbed during this inflationary period, well, I reserve my thoughts on that situation. Let me know what you think though in the comment section. Well, let's close out this video with JetBlue clearing the final hurdle of the regulators. And let's say they come out with the regulators giving them the okay, and then they're now moving on to making Spirit Airline their own. What happens to Spirit Airlines? JetBlue has announced that both airlines will operate under the JetBlue brand. That clearly says that two airlines will become one, which will be JetBlue. In my opinion, that translates to the yellow airplane will disappear from the skies over time, as JetBlue gets all of Spirit's airplanes and pilots as part of the deal. Now, JetBlue and Spirit does operate Airbus airlines, or aircraft rather, so they should fit right in. And they will most likely color them in the colors of JetBlue airline. When this happens, JetBlue Airlines now trails in market share by a few percent to the big four of American, Southwest, United and Delta Airlines. Frontier Airlines come out of this also with some victory. So Frontier Airlines, who really lost out on the opportunity to climb up closer to the top, has found themselves now being the king of the ultra low cost market in North America. And common sense tell me will now attract some of Spirit customers who are used to paying fares for the ultra low cost carrier, meaning that these are people who generally travel light, and these people will not mind that they have a little less leg room, and they might not have Wi-Fi on board for free, and they might not be served meals on board on their flight, and that gives them what is referred to in the ultra low cost market as a base fare. So that is the method which Spirit has been operating with, and also Frontier Airlines, that's their method of operation, so they're referred to as ultra low cost carrier. So Southwest Airlines, American Airlines, United, Delta Airlines, those airlines are the top 4 airlines in the United States. They have most of the market share. They are the giants in the industry there. So now what happens is this merger makes JetBlue almost as big as these carriers. So therefore, JetBlue is number 5 rather on the list, and should be competing more steadily with the top 4 for a spot in the top 4. So you could understand now why JetBlue was moving towards acquiring Spirit Airlines, because this means a lot for them. So Spirit Airlines, from Clipper Trucking Company in 1964 to Ground Air Transfers in 1974 to Charter One Airlines in 1983, and finally Spirit Airlines in 1992. It was a good run for Spirit, but like so many before them, divestment is knocking on Spirit Airlines door, and they too, barring the results of the regulators, are set to merge with another North American airline, hence making Spirit no more. As a spotter of airplanes, the bright yellow when it goes will be noticeably missing. It's always exciting, to capture a Spirit airline with that very bright yellow. It looks very beautiful when you edit this thing and put it up on your videos. That yellow has always stand out. So if they go for the spotting community, which includes myself, we'll miss that bright yellow aircraft coming in. You could know distinctively that this is Spirit, without any doubt. So again, Stewie saying thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. This information I'm giving to you now, I'm a Jamaican and I operate this YouTube channel, and there are some things which are important to me, and I like to pass it out there, because these are 3 airlines which operate in the Jamaican space. So everybody is familiar with Spirit, JetBlue and Frontier. So seeing one of these airlines go, I think it's worth mentioning. So all that said, it's just another day in this world of business rather. So Stewie again saying thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Let them know that this channel exists and we're trying to make it grow. So much respect and love every time from Stewie.